Hello everyone, Donald Miranda here representing for the Jamaica Wedding Channel. I've got the latest and hottest wedding tea and I'm ready to pour it. Remy Ma, Cardi B and Khloé Kardashian. These and much more when we return on Wedding News. Brought to you by the Helen Event Planning and Design Company.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Cardi B has been surprising us ever since she first came onto the scene. And she has dropped another surprise on us. She's been married for the past 9 months, almost a year, people. Can you believe that? How did we, where were we? Under a rock or something? I don't know how this one passed me, but a big congratulations to Cardi B and Offset. Listen, I mean, it was just, I think how it got past us or it flew over us is because we know her to as someone who puts everything out there, and so for her to keep something hidden, we wouldn't expect that, and that's exactly why she pulled this one over on us. She legit pulled a Beyonce. But as I said before, a big congratulations to Cardi B and Offset, and we wish them many more years. Talking about many more years, let's move on to Remy Ma and Papoose. And every time I say Papoose, I think a mongoose. But anyway, Remy Ma and Papoose, they're celebrating their 10th anniversary this year, and the wedding was just refreshing. And they renewed their vows. Yes, the wedding was refreshing and just really beautiful. They did. It was a garden themed wedding, and so she had a garden themed dress, a garden themed shoes, a garden themed cake. It was really light on the eyes and just really refreshing. So I wish her many more years of love and laughter. I am also sending positivity all the way over to Mrs. Casey Fennell and her husband as they are celebrating 2 years this year. They're celebrating their 2nd wedding anniversary, and I want to wish them many more years. In other news, word on the street is that Tristan is planning to propose to Khloé, and I mean, we do know the past, their past and what he has been doing, but maybe the birth of the child enlightened him. Maybe he's ready to man up and make the next move, and we here at Wedding News, we love, and so if that's the case, then we are here for it. Alright guys, that's it for this week's episode of Wedding News. Thank you so much for joining me. I am Donald Miranda, wishing you a safe week. Hold on, before you go, please remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share a few comments, and download the Jamaica Weddings app. Alright, see you next week. Take care.